What makes climate distinct from weather? Perhaps you are accustomed to the weather. The daily variations we notice and experience outside are called weather. The weather could be sunny one day and cloudy the next. It becomes cold at times. It is occasionally warm. However, even modest variations in the Earth's temperature can have a large impact on every living being. There are already some effects. Some snow and ice have started to melt as a result of climate change on Earth. Oceans have risen as a result of the warming. Furthermore, has shifted the timing of when some plants bloom. What is changing the climate on Earth? Many factors can trigger climate change on its own. The Earth's distance from the Sun varies. The Sun has the ability to emit more or less energy. Oceans can shift. Climate can alter through volcano eruptions. Most scientists believe that humans can also affect climate change. People utilize energy to operate automobiles, heat and cool their homes and make food. One source of energy is the combustion of coal, oil, and gas. However, burning these objects releases gases into the air, causing the atmosphere to heat up. This has the potential to alter the climate of a location, thereby affecting the Earth's climate. The accumulation of plastic and harmful wastes on our land and oceans with each passing day contributes to the cause of this transformation as well. What will happen to the Earth's climate in the near and distant future? For the next 100 years, according to scientists, Earth's temperature will continue to rise. This would cause more snow and ice to melt, thereby increasing ocean levels. It would get hotter in certain regions. Winters may be colder and include more snow in other regions. Some locations may get heavier rain while there could be less or no rain in other regions. Some places might have stronger hurricanes and storms. How does NASA investigate climate change? NASA satellites monitor the Earth's land, air, ocean, and ice. Other instruments investigate the sun and the energy it produces. These are essential for understanding the Earth's climate. Using all of these technologies can assist scientists in learning about how the climate may change and, as a result, present us with potential solutions. What can we do to help? Scientists believe we can take steps to reduce the rate of climate change. You can help by conserving electricity and water. When you leave a room, turn off all lights and televisions. While brushing your teeth, turn off the faucet to conserve water. The planting of trees and using more recycled materials can also support the cause. Another thing you may do is study about the Earth. The more you learn about the Earth, the better you will be able to solve climatic concerns. What are the long-term implications of climate change? Long-term climate change effects are expected to cause significant environmental changes, such as a decrease in sea ice coverage and an increase in permafrost thawing. Furthermore, the frequency and intensity of heat waves and heavy precipitation events are expected to rise. Beyond that, semi-arid regions are anticipated to see a decrease in water supply. These long-term effects of climate change have far-reaching consequences for the Earth's ecosystems and human populations. What distinguishes climate change from global warming? The terms climate change and global warming, though frequently used interchangeably, really refer to numerous distinct phenomena. Global warming describes the rise in global temperatures that is principally brought on by an increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, whereas climate change refers to the gradual, long-term shifts in climate-related factors like precipitation, temperature, and wind patterns. What impact does climate change have on natural disasters? With an increase in global surface temperatures, the likelihood of more droughts and worse storms will probably increase. Storms gain energy when more water evaporates and rises into the atmosphere. Rising air temperatures and rising ocean surface temperatures may cause wind speeds in tropical storms to increase. Higher areas that are often protected from the sea's force and its erosive currents and waves are now exposed as a result of rising sea levels. In conclusion, our world is in a desperate struggle for life as a result of climate change. The data is overwhelming. Both ecosystems and human populations are significantly impacted by these fundamental changes. It is essential that we acknowledge the seriousness of the problem and act right now to reduce the effects of and adapt to climate change. The choices we make today will affect the future of our planet and the welfare of future generations. We can work toward a resilient and sustainable future by working together.